What are you doing? Huh?
The baby's sleeping.
Really?
The baby is trying to break it.
I don't have blanket here.
Why not?
I don't have it.
It's...
Where's the baby's milk? Huh?
It's mentioned.
Really?
Yeah.
Where's the baby's milk?
Mentioned.
Melting?
Yeah.
It's not melting.
Why not?
No.
Why not? It's the medicine.
Medicine?
Yeah.
Are you gonna give the baby a medicine?
Yeah, Mr.
Oh, yeah?
The baby's one Mr. Win.
Oh, yeah?
Read the whole way.
Paul. Paul. Come here.
Wait, see?
Paul. Come here. Is your baby sleeping?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Read this ball.
No, she's a girl. She's not Paul. She's a girl, Paul. Paul. You wanna kiss the baby?
Yeah.
Okay, kiss the baby.
No.
Why not? Oh, don't do that. Kiss the baby. Be careful. Okay, kiss the baby.
From the Ice Age,
Paul.
cave people live in caves. Ours is on the top of a mountain. So we're
Paul.
called the mountain cave people. There's not a lot of stuff in the Ice Age, so cave people invent things. And
Okay, that's enough.